Hello, this is Adnan Sanni from Sanni Enterprises. What kind of machine faults you can face in hydraulic machine systems? You can face flow problem, pressure problem, direction problem. Then you have to understand the circuit diagram of the machine. Then you need to know the list of the units you need to check and what should be the order of checking the units. If you are facing noise problem, you should know what are the preliminary checks of the noise. If you face the heat problem, you need to know the preliminary checks of the heat, vibration problem, leaks problem, algorithm test, failed unit, and you need to think logically for troubleshooting all the machine faults in the hydraulic system. So if you think logically and you troubleshoot logically, you can troubleshoot in lesser time with less machine downtime. This is Adnan Sanni from Sanni Enterprises. Our WhatsApp number is 00923124225402. Free hydraulic helpline 24/7 365. Sales service repair of Vickers Eaton hydraulic equipment in Pakistan, Karachi, Pakistan. Love hydraulics. Thank you, Harry Vickers, for giving us Vickers, the pioneer designer of Vickers vane pumps, the best in the world. Thank you. Our email is adnan_sunny@yahoo.com. Sunny Adnan, SANNI @gmail.com, and WhatsApp 24/7 365 free helpline 00923124225402. Thank you very much. Bye bye.